Sky Manor, do you have an active today?
25 for Sky.
Reporting.
Come again, please.
That would be runway 25 for Sky Manor.
25 Sky Manor, thank you.
Roger that.
Sky Manor traffic. Skyhawk turning to base, 25.
Alright, so he should be turning, and he'll be coming this way.
I see him.
Sky Manor traffic, 29501, entering the downwind for runway 25.
A lot of people today.
Doyle South traffic, Skyhawk 4 Alpha uniform is turning base, runway 5, Doyle South.
Alright, let's get this thing slowed down.
Doyle South traffic, Skyhawk 4 Alpha uniform is turning final for runway 5, Doyle South.
Go ahead, put the first notch of flaps.
Yeah, once I get it, beam the numbers.
Skyhawk clear at Sky Manor.
Do that. We'll get our RPMs back. Sky Manor traffic, 29501, turning base for runway 25. Yeah, the only trick coming into Sky Manor is these power wires. Yeah.
Yep.
Sky Manor traffic, 29501, turning final for runway 25.
Doyle South traffic, Cessna 4 Alpha uniform has cleared runway 5, Doyle South.
Yeah, that's close.
Yeah.
Watch the helicopter.
Yep. Got it.
Sky Manor traffic, Copter 1 Victor Golf is 4 to the southeast. Could be overflying northwest bound at 1500 Sky Manor.
Well, didn't make the first turn off.
Anybody coming up the taxiway, Sky Manor?
Yeah, 29501, we're down the end here. We'll be coming back up the taxiway.
Okay, I'm coming down. I'm going to take the first right to the hangars, so just watch out for me.
Sky Manor traffic, helicopter departing 25, remaining in pattern. Left-hand traffic, Sky Manor.
Sky Manor 29501, clarity active.
Sky Sky Manor traffic, helicopter downwind for 25, landing on the grass on south side of the runway. Sky Manor.
Delta Captain, Charlie turning crosswind 5.
Sky Manor, you got another helicopter 2 to the southeast, northwest bound over the field at 2000, Sky Manor.
Sky Manor traffic, helicopter turning a base final for 25, remaining in pattern.
A little more activity up here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like they got something going on. They got a couple tents set up.
Yeah. That's a nice Cessna.
Sky Manor traffic, helicopter departing 25, remaining in pattern.
Oh, wow.
Alexandria traffic, helicopter is 2 to the southeast, descending out of 1800, inbound landing 26, Alexandria.
We're all over here, so everybody find a place to park.
Are you going to refuel here?
Nah, we should be good on fuel. I don't think we'll have any problems.
Okay.
Actually, this guy's got a pretty good idea out here. I think we'll just park over here next to him. He'll be out of the way of everybody.
Delta Captain, Charlie turning base 5.